What did you just say? A lot of English learners still make this mistake, and 4 more just like it. Let's fix them right now, under just 7 minutes. Let's go. Hi there, welcome to the TST Learning English. I'm Jam. I make learning English easy, fun and fast. If you want to speak better English, you are in the right place. Let's look at 5 grammar mistakes even intermediate learners still make, and I will show you how to fix each one. Let's go. Mistake number 1. He don't like pizza. Hey, I don't know, but he don't like pizza. No. We never say he don't. Here is the rule. I don't, you don't, they don't, but he doesn't. So the correct sentence is he doesn't like pizza. Simple fix, right? Don't forget the sneaky doesn't for he, she, it. Mistake number 2. I'm boring. Don't talk to me, I am boring. Wait, you're boring? You make people bored? No, you probably mean I'm bored. Boring is equal to something that makes others feel bored. But bored is equal how you feel. So don't call yourself boring unless you really are. Mistakes number 3. Much apples. Hey, how much apples do you eat? Oops, apples are countable. With countable nouns we say how many apples. We use much for uncountable nouns like water, money, or sugar. But we use money for countable nouns like what? Like books, like cars, like apples. So say I eat many apples today, not much apples. Mistake number 4. He go to school every day. I don't know, but he go to school every day. Wrong tense, my friend. For he, she, it, we add s to the verb in present simple. So the correct sentence is he goes to school every day. I go, you go, but he goes to school. Mistake number 5. Prepositions. She's in the sunglasses. No, she cannot be in the glasses. Let's fix that. She is behind the glasses, or the glasses are on the table, or the keys are under the book. Let's review. On, in, next to, behind, under. Prepositions matter. They tell us where things are, so use them in the correct way. So let's review what we fixed today. He don't, he doesn't. I am boring, I'm bored. Much apples, many apples. He go, he goes. In the glasses, behind the glasses. Which of these mistakes you have made before? Tell me in the comment section. I will read everyone. And if you want more fun English lessons, hit the subscribe button and follow me for more English lessons every week. Thanks for watching. This is Jam and see you in the next time. Bye bye.